Where is the blind valley found? Answer. Option 3 is correct. The blind valley is found in the karst region. Karst topography is a geological formation shaped by the dissolution of the layer or layers of soluble bedrock, usually carbonate rock such as limestone or dolomite, but also in gypsum. During volcanic eruption, deposition of lava in anticlines and synclines of folded mountains accounts for formation of. Answer. Option 1 is correct. During volcanic eruption of deposition of lava in anticlines and synclines of folded mountains accounts for formation of phacolith. Which one of the following is a warm ocean current? Answer. Option 1 is correct. East Australian Current is a warm ocean current that moves warm water from the tropical Coral Sea, where it splits from the South Equatorial Current down the east coast of Australia. U shaped valley develops in. Answer. Option 2 is correct. U shaped valley develops in the glacial region. Ice causes friction on the sides of the valley. Which of the following landforms is not formed by wind action? Answer. Option 3 is correct. Sandbars is not formed by wind action. A long mass or low ridge of submerged or partially exposed sand build up in the water along a shore or beach by the action of waves or currents. Coral reef extending along with eastern coast of Australia is. Answer. Option 2 is correct. Coral reef, the Great Barrier Reef extending along with eastern coast of Australia. What is the international dateline? Answer. Option 4 is correct. The IDL is roughly based on the meridian of 180-degree longitude, roughly down the middle of the Pacific Ocean and halfway around the world from the Greenwich meridian. 49th parallel is the boundary line between which two countries? Answer. Option 1 is correct. 49th parallel is the boundary line between United States of America and Canada. How does La Nina affect the Pacific Ocean? Answer. Option 2 is correct. During a period of La Nina, the sea surface temperature across the equatorial eastern Central Pacific Ocean will be lower than normal by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius. Thus, it cools down the temperature of water. Which of the following country is not a member of SARC? Answer. Option 3 is correct. The South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation is the regional intergovernmental organization and geopolitical union of nations in South Asia. Its member states include Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, the Maldives, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Himalayan mountain range falls under which type of mountains? Answer. Option 4 is correct. Fold mountains are created where two or more Earth's tectonic plates are pushed together at these colliding, compressing boundaries. Rocks and debris are warped and folded into rocky outcrops, hills, mountains, and entire mountain ranges. Himalayan mountain ranges falls under this type of mountain. Nor'westers are thunderstorms which are prominent in. Answer. Option 3 is correct. Nor'westers or the Kal Vaisakhi is the local rainfall and thunderstorm which occurs in India and Bangladesh. Kal Vaishakhi occurs with increasing frequency from March till monsoon establishes over northeast India. The boundary between Earth's crust and mantle is answer. Option 1 is correct. The Mohorovic discontinuity or Moho is the boundary between the crust and the mantle. Drums pressure belts lies in between which of the following latitudes? Answer. Option 1 is correct. Doldrums, also called equatorial calms, equatorial regions of light ocean currents and winds within the intertropical convergence zone, a belt of converging winds and rising air encircling Earth near the equator. The doldrums, usually located between 5 degrees north and 5 degrees south of the equator, are also known as the Intertropical Convergence Zone or ITZZ. What is the full form of BOD? Answer. Option 3 is correct. Biochemical oxygen demand, BOD, also called biological oxygen demand, is the amount of dissolved oxygen that is demanded by aerobic biological organisms to break down organic material present in a given water sample at certain temperature over a specific time period. Match the following country: Bangladesh, Myanmar, Maldives, Bhutan. Currency: Ngultram, Rufiya, Taka, Kyat. Answer: Option 3 is correct. Bangladesh currency is Taka. Myanmar currency is Burmese Kyat. Maldives currency is Maldivian Rufiya. And currency of Bhutan is Ngultram. Which of the following planet is also known as Earth's twin? Answer. Option 2 is correct. Venus is sometimes called Earth's twin because Venus and Earth are almost the same size, have about the same mass, and have a very similar composition, are made of the same material. They are also neighboring planets. Which type of forest is most widespread in India? Answer. Option 2 is correct. Tropical deciduous forest is most widespread in India, about 65% of total forest area. The part of the Himalayas lying between Satluj and Kali river is known as? Answer. Option 3 is correct. Kumayu Himalayas is a west central section of the Himalayas in northern India, extending 200 miles 320 km from the Satluj river to the Kali river. Which railway station is used for immigration and customs of passengers who travel on the Thar Express between Pakistan and India? Answer. Option 2 is correct. Zero Point railway station is used for immigration and customs of passengers who travel on the Thar Express between Pakistan and India. It is situated 8 km east of Khokrapa, Sindh and lies on the Pakistan-India border. The station was constructed in February 2006. Which one of the following is a temperate desert? Answer. Option 4 is correct. Patagonian desert is a temperature desert. The Patagonian desert, also known as the Patagonia desert or the Patagonian steppe, is the largest desert in Argentina and is the seventh largest desert in the world by area. The deepest lake of the world is? Answer. Option 1 is correct. The deepest lake of the world is Baikal. Lake Baikal is a rift lake in the south of the Russian region of Siberia. Which one of the following is an example of a block mountain? Answer. Option 3 is correct. Vosges mountain is an example of a block mountain. The biggest island of the Indian Ocean is? Answer. Option 2 is correct. The biggest island of the Indian Ocean is Madagascar. Madagascar, officially the Republic of Madagascar and previously known as the Malagasy Republic, is an island country in the Indian Ocean off the coast of Southeast Africa. Which one of the following ocean currents is different from others? Answer. Option 4 is correct. Labrador is different from the ocean currents. It is cold in nature. The Labrador current is a cold current in the North Atlantic Ocean which flows from the Arctic Ocean south along the coast of Labrador and passes around Newfoundland, continuing south along the east coast of Nova Scotia. In which of the following eras the earth was nearly covered with snow and ice? Answer. Option 3 is correct. The earth was nearly covered with snow and ice in Pleistocene era. The Pleistocene is the geological epoch which lasted about 2588,000 to 11700 years ago, spanning the world's recent period of repeated glaciations. Oxbow Lake is a feature formed by? Answer. Option 3 is correct. Oxbow Lake is a feature formed by river erosion in mature stage. An oxbow is a crescent-shaped lake lying alongside a winding river. The oxbow lake is created over time as erosion and deposits of soil change the river's course. Which one of the following local winds is different from the other three? Answer. Option 4 is correct. Mistral, the local wind, is a different from the others. The Mistral is a strong, cold, and usually dry regional wind in France coming from the north or northwest, which accelerates when it passes through the valleys of the Rhone and Durance rivers to the coast of the Mediterranean around the Camargue region. Which one of the following is not a tropical desert? Answer. Option 3 is correct. Gobi is not a tropical desert. It is a temperate desert partly located in northern China and partly in Mongolia. Among oceanic trenches, the deepest trench is? Answer. Option 3 is correct. Mariana Trench is the deepest trench located in the Pacific Ocean near Japan. Jet stream is? Answer. Option 1 is correct. Jet stream is fast blowing westerlies in upper part of troposphere. Jet streams are fast flowing narrow air currents found in the atmospheres of some planets including Earth. Tropical cyclones in Australia are called? Answer. Option 1 is correct. Tropical cyclones in Australia are called Willy Willy. Willy Willy is a small windstorm that mostly occurs in dry outback areas. The term Willy Willy is of aboriginal origin. Willy Willys are normally tropical cyclones. Which of the following continents has the smallest land area? Answer. Option 2 is correct. Australia with 2,967,909 square miles 7686884 square kilometer total area, is the smallest continent. The Yellow River passes through which country? Answer. Option 2 is correct. Yellow River passes through China. Sundarbans Tiger Reserve is in which state? Answer. Option 4 is correct. Sundarban National Park is a World Heritage Site, Tiger Reserve and Biosphere Reserve located in the Sundarban Delta of West Bengal in India. What is the approximate circumference of Earth? Answer. Option 1 is correct. The approximate circumference of Earth is 40,000 km. In terms of size, Mars ranked number dash in our solar system. Answer. Option 3 is correct. Mars is the seventh largest planet in our solar system. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the seventh largest. Mars is also referred to as the red planet. Which of the following region is covered by tropical evergreen forest? Answer. Option 4 is correct. In India, tropical evergreen forests are found in the western slopes of the Western Ghats in states such as Kerala and Karnataka. The final boundary between the Earth and the outer space is called? Answer. Option 4 is correct. Karman line lies at an altitude of 100 km above Earth's sea level and commonly represents the boundary between Earth's atmosphere and outer space. Which neighboring country of India is also referred as Dracul? Answer. Option 3 is correct. Bhutan is called Dracul, land of thunder dragon, because of the violent and large thunderstorms that whip down through the valleys from the Himalayas. Bhutan is known as the land of thunder dragon. Which of the following imaginary lines join places with the same level of rainfalls? Answer. Option 3 is correct. A line drawn on a weather map connecting points that receive equal amounts of precipitation, rainfall, snow, etc. during a given period of time is called isoheights. How many Indian states share their boundaries with Nepal? Answer. Option 4 is correct. 5 Indian states share their boundaries with Nepal. The Indian states that touch the border with Nepal are Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, and Sikkim. Which Indian state has the largest share of the wastelands in India? Answer. Option 4 is correct. Rajasthan has the largest share of wastelands in India with an area of 84929 square kilometer in wasteland. Which is the highest peak in Andaman and Nicobar Islands? Answer. Option 3 is correct. Saddle Peak is the highest point of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which of the following neighboring country of India is not a landlocked country? Answer. Option 2 is correct. Nepal, Bhutan and Afghanistan are India's neighboring landlocked countries. Myanmar is not a landlocked country. The northern plain of India has been formed by the interplay of the three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga, and the Answer. Option 1 is correct. The northern plain of India has been formed by the interplay of Three main rivers of northern plains are the Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. Which country is not a member of Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation? BIMSTEC. Answer. Option 4 is correct. The Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation is an international organization involving a group of countries in South Asia and Southeast Asia. These are Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Bhutan, and Nepal. The BIMSTEC states are among the countries dependent on the Bay of Bengal. The group of stars arranged in a definite pattern is called. Answer. Option 2 is correct. The group of stars arranged in a definite pattern is called constellation. In modern astronomy, a constellation is an internationally defined area of the celestial sphere. Which planet takes the longest time to go around the sun? Answer. Option 4 is correct. Neptune takes the longest time to go around the sun. Neptune orbits the sun at an average distance of 4.5 billion kilometers. Like all the planets in the solar system, Neptune follows an elliptical path around the sun, varying its distance to the sun at different points along its orbit. The Earth is at maximum distance from the sun on. Answer. Option 4 is correct. The aphelion is the point in the orbit of a planet or comet where it is farthest from the sun. The Earth reaches its aphelion when the northern hemisphere is experiencing summer on 4th July.